Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to configure the Wi-Fi connection on the HP Smart Tank 519 printer. With this easy step-by-step tutorial, this will allow you to print wirelessly from your computer, laptop, or smartphone.
Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.